about our flag. This is the flag of Pakistan. This is the flag of Pakistan. All Pakistani love and respect it. It is a rectangle. It is 3.4 is white. What do you see in the green part?
Today our topic is about our flag. A white and a star. Our flag is a very beautiful. Every Pakistani salute salute in a flag of Pakistan flag is the of honor from a city and national. Today our topic is finished.
Today is my topic malaria speaking. Where is Ali? He has malaria. He is not coming. Oh, I am sorry to hear this malaria has become
Clapping.
has become a big problem in our area. We must do something about this.
Let's start fight against malaria. How we do that? We can start education all the children in our school.
Three.
Yes, we can tell them to try to spray kerosene on stagnant water. We can also tell them to try and cover themselves with a thin cloth or net while sleeping. Today my topic complete.
Three.
Today my topic is Microsoft Windows. Do computer always come with Windows pre-installed? No. What think should you ensure before starting installation of Windows? Complete the following checklist before going to install. Complete the following checklist before going to install Windows on your computer. Do you have a DVD of Windows 7, a disk of drivers of your computer?
Clapping.
30 to 40 minutes free time. How would you more the window listening agreement up and down? Press the page key to read and scroll to the agreement. Finish.
Three.
Today my topic is going to shop, asked for something. Let's go to Rina. I want to buy a storybook.
Okay, let's go. I want to buy
Clapping.
a box for the pen.
Can I help you?
Yes, I have a English storybook.
Here you are is no cost for 50 rupees.
Okay, can I have that big pen box for the pen box?
Here you are. This is also for 50 rupees.
Okay, thank you. Here's the money for the pen box.
Here is the money for the storybook.
Thank you. Enjoy your reading and painting.
Topic is end.
Today my topic is a negative sentence. I live in this house. I did not live in this house. Today my topic is negative sentence. I live in this house. I do not live in this house. A doctor checks her eyes. Doctor will not test her eyes. And I like this car. Do. I don't like this car. He is good man. He is not good man. It is good color of a house. It is not good color of a house. He push her son. He do not push her son, and he can telling lie for cheating in a paper. He cannot do cheating in paper, and he can telling lie. And it is a big house of a country, and it is not big of a house of a country. He will SS officer of world. He will not SS officer of.
Clapping, clapping.
He is a prime minister of Pakistan, and he is not prime minister of Pakistan. And it is flying a kite. It is not flying a kite. And its tower, it's very big. Thank you.